Hi everyone. There is a certain individuals renowned for their leadership mind and unwavering ambition. Their dominating presence is both compelling and at times intimidating. Welcome back to Connect Within TV. Last time we analyzed the brilliant minds of INTJs and INTPs. Now it's time to meet the remaining two members of the analyst family, the charismatic ENTJs and the inventive ENTPs. Let's get started with ENTJs. ENTJ stands for extravagant, intuitive, thinking, judging. ENTJs are also known as the field marshals. No big deal, just leading the world. They are the ultimate bosses. ENTJs are known for their leadership skills and unwavering determination. They are born with a mic in hand and they are similar to exceptional student leaders who weren't just simply handed the role of a group project leader, but they actively campaigned for the role, delivered a talk-through speech on why they were the best fit, and let's be real, they are probably the only ones who genuinely care about getting the position. They have a natural ability to think critically and are more focused on achieving results. They can easily communicate their vision and ideas to others and are willing to take risks no matter what. They take decisions quickly and make long term plans confidently. ENTJs may struggle with trusting others to handle tasks due to their strong need for perfection and control. With their sights on efficiency and achievement, they may go frustrated with those who do not reach their productivity pace. They possess an outgoing nature and have a commanding presence that leaves a lasting impression. ENTJs' analytical minds can sometimes overshadow their emotional intelligence, making it hard for them to connect with others on a deeper level and develop meaningful relationships. They tend to favor logic over feelings and rely heavily on intellectual analysis, even in emotionally charged situations. They overlook emotional cues and nonverbal signals such as facial expression, body language, eye contact, tone of voice, and strive for detachment and objectivity, demonstrating a systematic approach to decision making even in interpersonal relationships that ultimately leads to emotional suppression. ENTJs are often described as visionaries due to their ability to think critically and systematically. They make up only about 2 to 5% of the population, but they are unevenly represented among CEOs, executives, and the other higher level leaders, making them well suited for careers in business, politics, and other fields that require strong leadership and innovative thinking. Their unique ability to envision and shape the future makes them highly effective leaders and change makers. ENTJs may need to improve their listening skills to fully understand others rather than just preparing their response. Furthermore, they may also need to focus on achieving a better balance between their work and personal life. That's a wrap on ENTJs. Now it's time to move on to our next personality type, ENTP, which stands for extroverted, intuitive, thinking, perceiving. Oh my god, the possibilities, they are endless. Wait, what was I saying? Unpredictability is their superpower and their plan is to drive you crazy. These innovative thinkers are always buzzing with creativity, constantly seeking out fresh perspectives and exciting possibilities. Their curious minds are wired to explore, imagine, and reinvent. ENTPs have a million tabs open at all times and they can switch between them faster than you can blink. They flourish in fast paced, ever changing settings where variety is the norm. The idea of doing the same thing twice can be utterly draining for them. If you want to keep them engaged, be prepared to mix things up a lot. With an effortless charm, they seamlessly navigate new social landscapes and situations, making connections and thinking on their feet with remarkable ease. ENTPs are known for their rapid fire responses. They enjoy discussing and debating various topics, often taking opposing views to stimulate the conversation. ENTPs are extremely curious individuals. They have a tendency to get distracted by, well, everything. Their restless mind craves constant change, and with a lot of interests and passions, it's hard for them to keep their focus in one thing for too long. They quickly lose interest and move on to the next captivating project. They have mastered the art of last minute magic. They often delay their tasks until the pressure is full on. Then they rely on their creative surge and rapid fire thinking to meet the deadline. This intense mental adventure can create unseen vulnerabilities. ENTPs are fiercely loyal and supportive partners, yet their spontaneous nature makes them naturally flirtatious. They may even test boundaries to spark intellectual and emotional excitement in their relationship. However, they can get restless if things become too routine or predictable. They are just impossible, and that's what makes them lovable and annoying, of course, at the same time. ENTPs are difficult to pin down emotionally and they have a knack for keeping people guessing about their emotions. They often use their quick wit and humor to deflect their true feelings. To reach new heights, they need to develop self awareness and cultivate focus, discipline, and determination. They excel in careers offering flexible schedules and creative freedom, such as freelancing, design, or entrepreneurship with rotating projects. Industries like innovation, software development, gaming, wellness, and media play to their strengths. As their own bosses, they thrive. That concludes our examination of the analyst personality type. The INTJ, INTP, ENTJ, and ENTP, all of them bring unique strengths and challenges to the table. I hope you find this analysis helpful. Stay tuned for the next video as we uncover the mysteries of more personality types. Did that resonate with you? What's one thing you learned about your personality type today that you want to share with others? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change lives. Subscribe to Connect with NTV and start your journey towards a more self aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.